If you're thinking about buying Smartcopy, the generative AI software, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. We'll break down 12 key points so you can make an informed choice. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you a better option that's worth checking out. First, Smartcopy promises to help with content creation, making it easier for businesses to generate quality copy without needing a dedicated team of writers. It's an attractive solution for many, but how does it stack up against the competition? Let's find out. Next thing to consider is the pricing. While Smartcopy isn't the most expensive generative AI tool out there, it's also not the cheapest. You'll need to weigh its features against the cost to see if it's worth the investment compared to competitors like Jasper or Copy.ai, which offer similar capabilities but with slightly different pricing structures. The third thing to keep in mind is the quality of the content it generates. Smartcopy is quite good at creating blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions, but it can still struggle with more complex or nuanced content. If you're looking for truly polished work, you might need to spend some time editing, especially when compared to more advanced tools like Copy.ai or Writesonic. Moving on to the next thing, customization is an area where Smartcopy stands out. You can adjust the tone, style, and target audience for your content, which can be really helpful when creating specific types of content. But, again, tools like Jasper offer more advanced customization options, which may be a deal breaker for businesses with very specific needs. The fifth thing to note is the AI's learning curve. Smartcopy is fairly easy to use, but it might take a little time to get familiar with all the settings and features, especially if you're new to generative AI. Competitors like Copy. AI have more intuitive interfaces and are better at guiding new users through the process, making it easier to get up and running right away. Next thing to consider is Smartcopy's integration capabilities. While it works with some platforms, like Google Docs and WordPress, its integrations are limited compared to other tools. If you're running a more complex setup and need broad integrations with tools like Zapier or more marketing platforms, you might find Smartcopy lacking in this area. The seventh thing is the AI's versatility. While Smartcopy is great for generating copy for marketing materials, its features aren't as broad as some of its competitors. If you're looking for a more all-in-one solution for writing emails, blog posts, SEO optimization, and even more in-depth content generation, tools like Jasper or Writesonic might offer better versatility. The eighth thing to think about is the customer support. Smartcopy offers decent support, but it's not as robust as some of the bigger players in the market. Companies like Jasper provide more comprehensive support options, including live chat and dedicated account managers, which might be crucial if you're running a business that relies heavily on content production. Next, consider the speed of content generation. Smartcopy can generate content quickly, but it can sometimes be slower compared to competitors like Copy.ai, which prides itself on delivering copy at a faster pace. If you're on a tight deadline, this could be a factor in your decision. The 10th thing is the AI's ability to handle SEO. While Smartcopy does a good job of creating general copy, its SEO capabilities are more limited compared to some other tools. Competitors like Writesonic or Jasper have more built-in SEO features, like keyword suggestions and SEO-friendly formatting, which can be a huge advantage for content marketers. Next, think about the scalability. Smartcopy works well for small teams and individual users, but larger teams may struggle with its more limited features in terms of collaboration and multi-user accounts. If you're working in a larger team, tools like Jasper offer better scalability and team management features, which can help streamline the workflow. The 12th thing to consider is the free trial. Smartcopy offers a limited free trial, which is a great way to test out the platform before committing. However, the trial period isn't as generous as some competitors, like Copy.ai, which offers a more extended free trial for users to really get a feel for the software. So,